Look up at the night sky. You see stars, planets, the moon, all held together by invisible rules, the forces of nature. These forces conduct the universe, telling planets how to orbit and atoms how to stick together. But what if there's a hidden force, quietly shaping reality? Gravity pulls your keys to the ground. Electromagnetism lights your room. Yet the universe loves secrets, especially in the tiniest places, the atom. Scientists have found a tiny anomaly, a deviation from what our theories predict. This suggests there might be a fifth force of nature, a hidden player in the cosmic symphony. Discovering it would rewrite textbooks and open new frontiers in science. The mystery is real, and the investigation has just begun. Scientists recently found something strange inside atoms. Electrons, usually predictable, showed a tiny, unexpected wobble in heavy atoms. This wasn't a mistake, the anomaly persisted, even after repeated experiments. It's like the universe is hinting at a crack in our most trusted theory. Could this be evidence of a new, undiscovered force of nature? The tiniest anomaly could lead to the biggest discovery in physics. To grasp the significance, let's review the four known forces, the pillars of physics. First, gravity, the weakest, but it shapes galaxies and keeps us grounded. Next, electromagnetism, responsible for light, electricity, and chemistry, binding atoms and powering technology. Then, the strong nuclear force, the universe's superglue, holding atomic nuclei together. Finally, the weak nuclear force, enabling radioactive decay and powering the sun. These four forces explain everything from the cosmic scale to the atomic. For decades, we believed this set was complete. Gravity sculpts the cosmos, electromagnetism rules daily life, and the strong and weak forces govern the nucleus. Each force has its own role, its own range, and its own messenger particle. The Standard Model weaves them together into a rulebook for the subatomic world. But now, a new anomaly suggests the rulebook might be missing a chapter. If a fifth force exists, it would change our understanding of reality itself. The four forces have shaped our universe, and our technology. But nature may have more secrets to reveal. The possibility of a new force is both thrilling and humbling. Physics stands on the edge of a new frontier. The rules of the universe may be about to change. The Standard Model has been our guide, predicting particles and their behavior with stunning accuracy. So when experiments contradict it, physicists pay close attention. The recent electron wobble is just such a contradiction. The model says electrons should behave the same in all atoms, just scaled up. But in heavy atoms, something else is influencing the dance. This new effect is subtle, almost invisible in small atoms, but just detectable in larger neutron-rich ones. Why is it stronger in big atoms? The clue points to neutrons. If a new force interacts mainly with neutrons, its effect would grow in atoms packed with them. This fits the evidence. The anomaly appears in heavy atoms, not simple ones. Each known force has a carrier particle, photon, gluon, W and Z bosons, and the hypothetical graviton. If there's a fifth force, it too must have a messenger. Physicists have even named a candidate, the X-17 particle. The strange electron wobble could be the first indirect sign of this new particle, and the force it carries. The mystery is deepening, and the hunt is on. If confirmed, this would be a seismic shift in physics. The Standard Model's rulebook may need a rewrite. We're on the verge of discovering a new chapter in the story of matter. The universe is inviting us to look closer. What happens now? The scientific world is buzzing. First, other labs must replicate the results. Science demands repeatable evidence. If confirmed, the next step is to hunt for the force-carrying particle directly, perhaps the X-17. This means new experiments, new detectors, and maybe even new physics. Why does this matter? Every new force we've discovered has transformed our world. Electricity, nuclear power, even the internet. A fifth force could unlock unimaginable technologies and help solve cosmic mysteries like dark matter. This is what science is about: curiosity, questioning, and following the evidence wherever it leads. The universe doesn't owe us answers, but we keep searching. Sometimes a tiny wobble is all it takes to shake the foundations of reality. The cosmic symphony may have a new player. We're listening for its song. The next discovery could change everything. Stay curious. The universe still has secrets to share.